In a recent poverty alleviation conference in Albania, I met a man whose life story carries the quite powerful of faith. He is 83 years old, an American who has spent decades helping others discover hope. And he shared one memory from years ago. I realized sometimes God shows His presence in the most unexpected places. His name is Bob Moffitt. He is the executive director and founder of Harvest Foundation, a Christian mission organization. He is also the author of a book, If Jesus Were Mayor. As we were sitting in the dining hall, Bob started telling me his story.
When I was in my late 20s, about 26, 27, one of my youthful adventures was to drive a small car from Europe to India. I had planned to drive it further, but it broke down in India.
Broke down in India.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right. And
Not with motorcycle.
no, it was a car.
Small car.
Small car. Very small.
Okay.
I had modified it so I could sleep in it. I fixed the seat so it would go back and anyway, it's a long, long story. But in Hungary, I had been driving too long, and I went to sleep.
Okay.
And my car went off the road, and it hit the right front wheel hit a stump, a tree stump. Yeah, and it broke the wheel off. So here I was in a communist country.
Yeah. That's in which year?
That would have been probably in 1966, 67.
Oh.
67, I think.
Okay.
And here I was in Budapest. I'd been in Budapest, and I'd eaten, but I was very sleepy. I should not have continued driving. I was young. You know, you think you can do anything. So I dozed off and went off the road. My car hit the tree stump, and a lot of people stopped and, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" Yeah, I'm okay. I was devastated, but physically I was okay.
Yeah.
So they towed my car to a junkyard.
Okay.
And I went with my car, and that night I stayed in the junkyard in my car. Had no place to sleep. I didn't know anybody.
Yeah.
And so I thought, what am I going to do? So I went to the national insurance company in a communist country. And I went to the front desk and I said, "This is what happened. Is there any solution, any hope for me?" And they said no. So I was leaving. And I heard my name over the loudspeaker. Robert Moffitt. So I went to the reception desk. I said, I didn't speak Hungarian, but Robert Moffitt.
Yeah, that's you.
And she handed me the phone. There was a man's voice on the end who said, "I saw you at the accident yesterday. I was one of those who stopped. I've been looking for you all night and all day. Can I help you?"
Wow.
I started to cry. I said, I don't know. He said, you wait right there. I'm coming.
Wow.
This man came. His name is Istvan. Istvan Giori.
And he speaks in English or he speaks?
He spoke English.
Oh.
And he worked for the government.
Oh.
And he said, you're going to stay in my house.
Wow.
And we'll see what we can
Amazing.
do about your car. So he called a friend of his who was a mechanic. And he said, I want you to go and meet this young man, see his car.
Yeah.
And we went. And he looked at my car and he said, I think, I'm not sure, I think I can repair it, but I need parts. So Istvan said, okay, you're going to have to go back to Austria on the train and get the parts you need to repair the car, because it's a Western European car. And I'm going to meet you back at the train station in 2 days. I'll wait for you. So we arranged the tickets. I got on the train. I went to Vienna. I found a car dealership. I bought the parts that the mechanic said. I brought them back with me.
Wow.
And all this time I stayed with Ishran and Maria and their 2 children.
Wow.
And they fed me. They were Roman Catholic.
Oh, okay.
And he was a savior. He was an angel of God for me. So I lived with him. So when I came back several days, he was waiting for me at the train station, just as he said. And he took me home, fed me, provided a room for me to stay in, and his friend repaired my car in the junkyard. And I was able to continue the journey all the way till India when that wheel finally broke off again.
So you at the end of the trip you did go to India.
I got to India, yes.
Wow.
I got to India, but that wasn't the end of the story. I mean, this is a book. You know.
Oh, this is a book.
But this
So
is-
you write the book.
I have written it down. But anyway,
We need to buy the book.
If Jesus were near. If Jesus were near.
anyway, this man was an angel from God. In the middle of a communist country. I had nowhere to go. My car was broken.
Yeah.
And he was sent by God. And he told me, he said, Bob, don't write to me. Because the government will watch my mail. And so I've lost touch with him. And I'll meet him in heaven. And
Did you pray after you had that accident?
did I what?
Did you pray?
Of course.
So that's how I
But
saw your parents pray
God
for
provided
you.
that guy, and it was in Budapest. And so Hungary is very real in my mind. Even in a communist regime,
Yeah.
the Lord was there.
Yeah, that's amazing.
And so,
That is amazing.
yeah, it is amazing.
Yeah, thank you, Bob.
You're welcome.
Thank you.